late last night, I ordered 2 SNAPTAIN drones from Amazon. So you see, we are at home. The kids my boys have been at home over a week now due to the corona outbreak. And they have been just playing on their computers, video games all day long. I wanted for them to do something different. Being an enthusiast in electric radio control aircraft, I was just looking for something that they can fly in the house without breaking anything and without injuring themselves. So I had this little drone, and I decided, well, I should get probably 2 newer ones for them to play. So I was just looking on Amazon website, and I found this SNAPTAIN H823H small drone for $30, and it got real good reviews. So it was showing like 4.7 out of 5, and over 1,000 people have reviewed it. So I decided to order it, and then there was also at that time a $3 coupon. So I said, I cannot go wrong with that. But one is not enough, so they want to play together. And then I saw that this was saying there is a newer model of this item. And it's this one. It is SNAPTAIN SP350 mini drone. And this was in addition to the specifications given on the other one. This was also showing, throw start. You can basically throw it in the air and it will automatically start hovering. And both of these were coming with 3 batteries and chargers and everything you need to fly them, except some just batteries for the controllers. So I placed the order, and it was about $60, and I'm expecting the order to arrive on Sunday. So hopefully it will arrive early in the morning, and we'll have some fun. Saturday morning, I just received an email saying that I have received a package. My package from Amazon has been delivered. Are these the drones? Yeah, it has a battery symbol on it, so maybe the drones. Let's go check. So exciting. Yeah, looks like it. Let me get the package inside. Open it and disinfect the box outside, so I'll do that. Yes, the box contained the drones. I was expecting them tomorrow. They came one day early. Thank you, Amazon. The kids are going to be so happy. Wow. Well, during this coronavirus, what we do is we open the packages outside and then Lysol wipe the boxes inside and then wash our hands. So that's the new modus operandi for us. Okay, let's open these and then show the kids. Wow, they both look so cute. They're really small. Let's see if they're going to perform as good as in the reviews in Amazon. Hey boys, come over here. Yeah, I have a surprise for you.
Have the smaller coins that you said here.
Wait, hold on a minute. Whoa. Is the battery low?
Yeah.
Good thing we have 3 batteries for each. We can almost keep flying continuously.
Higher.
Why is beeping?
It's probably out of battery.
It's on headless mode.
Alright, nice.
So it's doing flips, huh?
Yeah.
Does it also rotate around the y-axis?
Like how?
Like a 360, not the flip, but rotate around.
Like that?
Do it again.
Oh, nice.
So quick for my hands. Oh, you are becoming a pro, huh?
Not yet. Maybe I should try another speed mode. This is the fast mode. Yeah, it is pretty fast.
Wow, fast mode is fast, yes. It's better probably for outside, the
Yeah.
fast mode.
I'll keep
And
up.
for home, slow and medium mode will be better probably.
Yeah.
So you don't break it, or you don't break something else, or you don't take your eye out. I love that toss mode. You just toss it and just starts hovering.
Great.
Let me get close up.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is.
Don't get over your head though. Are you trying to get the fan in your face?
What's this button do?
Don't press it without knowing what it's doing. These two mini drones turned out to be great investments during this stay-at-home period. They pulled my sons away from their screens, from their computers, and they have been playing almost all day yesterday, and they have been flying them also today. I spent about $60 for both, and I think they are worth every single penny. And they arrived in less than 2 days from Amazon. The drones turned out to be very sturdy, taking bumps and crashes without any damage. Although they are tiny, they have many features found in larger and more expensive drones, such as Travel and Go, 360-degree flip, altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landings, headless mode, one-key return, and 3 different speed modes. Both drones are relatively stable in flight, and they are very easy to fly. My younger son, who did not have much experience in flying drones, just picked his up and then have been flying in about 5 minutes. With my sons having so much fun, I felt a little bit left out. I have one of these Cheerson CX-10 micro drones, but it is nowhere near anything like my son's new drones. And I don't call this mini drone, this is a micro drone. It doesn't have all the features the new drones have. For example, the battery is not replaceable on this. So every time you get the flight, you have to charge the battery for about 45 minutes. And the flight time is much shorter than the other one, probably half as much, like 3-4 minutes. And it's much more difficult to control. So if I bought one of these for my kids, it will be broken within the first 5 minutes. It requires a much better control, and I will call it like intermediate, not a starter drone. I decided not to order one of the SNAPTAIN mini drones that I got for my sons because I wanted to have something different. So I'll start searching on Amazon. When I looked for mini drones, there were more than 5,000 results under toys and games, so I had to set up some criteria. So my requirements were the drone must cost less than $30 and should have favorable reviews, 4 stars or higher preferably, and it should at least have 2 batteries, standard, and it should have features similar to the 2 SNAPTAIN mini drones that I got for my sons, and it should have prime shipping. In addition, it will be desirable for the drone to have a built-in Wi-Fi camera and the option to be controlled by a smartphone. So I narrowed down my search to 7 mini drones, which I'm going to present you now, starting from the lowest price going to the highest price. The first one is SNAPTAIN GD65A. This drone costs $21.50, has prime shipping, and also comes with 2 batteries. The second one is Dwy Dowalin mini drone, which is a bit over $22 when you apply 10% coupon, and comes with 2 modular batteries, and it looks like a mix between alien, octopus, and a cyclops. I am alien octopus cyclops. I am going to destroy you and your kind because you made fun of me. Seriously, it's cute, I think. The third one is Tech RC mini drone, and it costs $23 when you apply this $10 coupon, and it comes with 2 modular batteries. The fourth one is Vic Foldable mini drone. It is a tad under $25 when you apply 5% coupon, and one extra feature is it is foldable and comes with 2 modular batteries. The fifth one is another foldable. Brand is Hello Fano, and in addition to being foldable, it also has a 720p mini camera that transmits the images and videos to a smartphone, and it can be controlled by a smartphone app. Comes with 2 batteries. And the sixth one is the Hollystone Kid Toys Mini RC. This is a well-known brand, and it has great reviews, 4.4 stars out of 5, and comes with 3 batteries. However, it's one of the more expensive ones at $28.50 when after you apply 5% coupon. And finally, the last one is this Tech RC mini drone with camera, and when you apply the $16 coupon, it comes down just below $30, and it has a Wi-Fi camera, and it can be controlled by the smartphone. It comes with 2 batteries. So which one did I choose? Well, I'm not going to reveal it here, so you have to watch my next video. Until then, take care and have fun.